So hey guys, welcome back to the channel of Be10x and I hope you all are doing really well. You all might have seen a lot of people using Google Maps nowadays either for navigating their route or if they are not sure about the destination or even to know that where they are going literally. So Google Maps has become a very essential part while you are traveling. And today we are going to talk about the 5 major AI updates that Google Map has just recently got. And guys, before starting the video, I just want you to know that if you're interested in these kind of AI tools, we have an AI tools workshop that is just available for 9 rupees. You can check that out. The link is in the description and more details are there ahead in the video.
Working professionals, if you haven't upskilled yourself in 2023, then this is the last chance for you in order to hike your salary, in order to become irreplaceable in the job market, and in order to gain most in-demand skill. Yes, I'm talking about the skill of ChatGPT and AI tools.
And let's start the video. So Google Map has just got a major upgrade with 5 incredible AI features. The 3D magic of immersive view, personalized AI powered search, smarter than ever navigation, the latest on EV charging station and the real world inside of lens in maps. Each of these is changing how we navigate and explore. So let's dive right into it to see what these features are and all about it. Let's start with the first feature, that is immersive view. Imagine being able to explore any place or any city around the globe in a stunning, realistic 3D view as though you are actually there. And that's what immersive view offers. You can see buildings, streets, landmarks, and even peek inside venues like restaurants and museums. What's more, that it provides crucial information like weather, traffic, and how busy a place is doing with the time slider to see changes over the day. But you might ask, like, how does Google Map manages to create these 3D scenes? Well, the secret lies in a technique known as a neural radiance fields or NERV. So this process transforms regular photos into detailed 3D representation, capturing the essence of a place, including its lighting, material textures, and even background elements. And this is made possible by utilizing billions of street view and aerial images that Google Maps has accumulated. The practical application of immersive view are vast, and for example, you can take that you are planning a trip to a new city and you want to familiarize yourself with the environment beforehand. You can virtually fly over the city with this immersive view, spot key attraction, and get a sense of the area at different times. You can virtually walk down streets, check out cafes and restaurants, or view landmarks from various perspectives. It's like having a personal tour guide in your pocket, but even better. Immersive view is currently available in major cities though, like London, Los Angeles, New York, San Francisco, and Tokyo, and more cities will be added soon. And before moving on the next feature, I just want to have a small talk with you. Nowadays, you all might know that AI is taking over the world, and in just a short span of time, you have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI, and whatnot. And I believe that you don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, I can assure you that an AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will surely. So, if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3-hour AI tools workshop in which we'll teach you about the best AI tools to upskill yourself, increase your productivity, and also enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now. So let's continue the video. Next, we have AI powered search. This feature goes beyond the basic search function. It tailors suggestions based on your individual preferences and context, analyzing your location, search history, ratings, and likes. It even shifts through reviews and photos from other users to bring you relevant and useful information, including opening hours, rating, prices, and menus. Whether you are indecisive about where to eat or looking for something specific like vegan pizza place, AI powered search presents you with the options that align with your taste and budget, complete with the detailed menus and ingredients. And now moving on to the third feature, enhanced navigation. This improvement in Google Map utilizes AI to offer more precise and useful directions for driving, biking, and walking. Key feature includes lane guidance, which helps you stay in the correct lane to avoid missing U-turns or exit real-time traffic information to avoid delays, and live view, which uses augmented reality AR to overlay directions and information on your camera view, making navigation more intuitive. And these AI driven feature processes a massive amount of data, including GPS signal, satellite imagery, and user feedback. ensuring the most accurate and up-to-date navigation. And the fourth exciting addition is the EV charging station information. As electric vehicles grow in popularity, the demand for easily accessible charging station increases, and Google Maps now provides a detailed information of EV charging station, including the number of charging ports, their types, availability, speed, and pricing. It also offers insights into nearby amenities like restrooms and cafes by aggregating data from various sources and predicting the availability and demand for charging ports. This feature simplifies the process for EV owners, helping them find the best place to recharge their vehicle efficiently. And finally, we have Lens and Maps. And this innovative feature transforms your camera view on Google Maps by integrating AI and augmented reality. Simply point your phone at a restaurant and you will be able to see details like its name, rating, menu, and availability. It even allows you to make reservations or order food directly. Lens and Map also works wonder with the landmark, providing information like history and trivia. This tool is especially helpful when exploring new cities, searching for specific places, or even when the traveling abroad, as it can translate sign menus and labels in real time. So there you have it. These are the five incredible features from Google Maps that are set to revolutionize how we explore and navigate. These features not only make travel more immersive but also tailor the experience to your personal needs and preference. So Google Map is now just no longer a navigation app. It's an intelligent companion that enhances your exploration of the world. And all right guys, that is it for this video. And if you like the information given in the video, don't forget to leave a like and also drop a comment if you have any doubts. And also don't forget to subscribe Be10x. And do remember that we have an AI tools workshop that is just available for 9 rupees, so you can check that out. The link is in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.